Okay, guys, so something, I don't know if it was a miracle or not, but, well, I don't know how to explain it. My neighbour, she told me to check her front garden because there was some blood and feathers. And then and she told me to check if there was a dead bird. And I looked under the tree and there was. I didn't know if it had a head, but I told my dad and he went to look at it, and then well, why is it so hard to explain? It's so sad. It's just, the bird was actually alive. We took it to the garden, the back garden, and, well, we put it in a cage, and there was like a hole at the side of it with blood. A lot of blood, but not too much blood, and it looked painful. At the end, I literally just cried. My hands are sweaty because of it. It's just, so sad. And if it is a miracle, then wow. So sad. It's just so sad. There's nothing I can say, but it's sad. Well, and then my dad told me to go. Wait, no. Was it my dad? No. I think my neighbour told me to go ask a house close by because they had a pigeon house in their back garden. So I went to ask, and I went to check, and then my dad came with the cage and the bird inside, and then they took it. And I'm sure I kept on saying we should call the vets. We should call the vets, but they didn't do it. I don't know. I'm just happy that the bird is still alive. It's probably a miracle, honestly. And if it's not, then I'm just being stupid right now. Literally, just too stupid for everything. Anyway, well, while I'm here, just gonna check out these dances. High kick up. That sad times. What about the flare? Whoa, that's sick. Whoa, that's cool. Bye. Just bye. Just bye. Well, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Now.